ನಗುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಗಿಸ್ಕೊತ ನೀವು ನಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಅದು ನಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ.
Yes, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine. Welcome back to online classes again. So in the last class, I completed that applications of trigonometry, right? Yes, applications of trigonometry. I completed. I hope only triangle chapter is remaining. That will be dealing with by Madam only. In that one exercise I have done, that will come. Okay. Okay, whatever it may be, anyway, we completed our portion on time, that is December 2nd week only. That means what, if they will keep the examinations in the month of February also, almost 2.5 months early only we completed our portion. So today I am going to start the revision. The first revision is on statistics. Before going to statistics chapter, just we should recall what we studied last year. So in the statistics chapter, we studied almost for ungrouped data. We have not studied grouped data, but we have taken the group data and we drawn only histograms. More than that, we have not done anything. Okay, in this 10th class, you are studying only 3 important subtopics, that is central tendency. Under that, one is mean, second one is mode, and the third one is median. Okay na? In this, what is mean? Mean is nothing but sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. Okay na? Sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. Mode is nothing but the highest frequency. Okay na? Otherwise, highest frequency means the more number of times repeating. Next, median. Median means, yes, middlemost term. Now for example, we will take small example, then you will understand. See, for example, data is like this: 4, 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 4, 6. Now, first we should find out mean. Very simple. How to find out? 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now very simple. 4 plus 7, 11, 19, 24, 26, 29, 30, 33, 37, 42, 49, 57, 61, 67. So it is nothing but 67 divided by 40. So 14 4 ja 56. 11 is remaining. 56. 114. 114 means 110. Sorry. So 14 6 ja 84. 14 7 ja 98. 14 8 ja 112. Correct? You can see like this: 67 divided by 14. 14 4 ja 56. 1 1.0. So 14 9 ja, sorry, 14 7 ja 98. Yes, it is nothing but 2 and 1, right? Again 0, 14 8 ja 1 2. So 4.78 or you can take 4.8. Therefore, what is the answer? 4.8. Now, the highest frequency we have to see. Which is the highest frequency? Almost. Yes? Highest frequency 8. 8, yes. Highest frequency is 8. Next, middlemost term. So we have to arrange in ascending order or descending order. Then here 14 numbers are there. 14 numbers means we will see how many ones are there. Only one. How many twos are there? One. How many threes are there? 1, 2. 1 plus 2. Next to fours. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many fives? 1, 2. Plus 5, plus 5. 6, only one time. 7, 2 times. Sorry. 7, 7. Next, plus 8, plus 8. Okay, na? Right. Now, in this, sorry, we are not supposed to keep plus. Just comma, 1 comma, 2 comma, 3 comma, 3 comma, 4 comma, 4 comma, 5 comma, 5 again comma, 6 comma, 7 comma, 7 comma, 8. So here 14 numbers are there. 14 means actually we can do like this. 14 by 2 means 7th term. Plus 7 plus 1, that is term, divided by 2. Therefore 7th term plus 8th term divided by 2. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th term is 4 plus 5 divided by 2. 9 by 2 nothing but 4.5. So if you see median 4.5 and what mean we got 4.8. Right? So like this we have done last year, but this year we are going to change this as group data because numbers are repeating. If only 10 numbers are there, okay. If for 100 numbers are there, then problem only, no. Therefore, we are introducing to grouped data. Right. In this grouped data, what we are going to learn? For example, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. This is the class interval. Yes. This left side are all known as lower limit. What is that? Lower limit. Lower limit means what? This will the lower for that interval. This is the minimum. What is the maximum then? This is nothing but upper limit. What is that? Upper limit. Okay. The question will be asked like this. Sir, 5 to 10, 10 is the upper limit. 10 to 15, 10 is the lower limit. If 10k means we have to take in this or in this. So always we are supposed to depend on the lower limit, not on the upper limit. Even though from 0 to 5 is there means it will be depends upon 0 to not 5 less than 5 because 5 means 5 to 10 we have to take. If 20k means we are not supposed to take in this but we should take in this. Did you understand everyone? Yes, we have to see the lower limit. We are not supposed to see the upper limit. Now clear? Okay. This is the first concept. Next concept, class mark. Class mark. In this class mark, very simple, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So what is anyone you take? Anyone. For example, second. 5 plus 10 divided by 2. So 15 by 2, 7.5. No, here you will take 20 plus 25 divided by 2. So 45 by 2 means 22.5. Once 5.5 has come, remaining will come all 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 only. Understood? So this is the class mark. Next important aspect is class size. Class size. Class size is nothing but upper limit minus lower limit. Okay na? Any one you take. For example, yes, 20 minus 15. What is the answer? 5. No, 30 minus 25. What is the answer? 5 only. Therefore, almost you will get class size will be same, right? Okay. Now, you will see the first central tendency, that is mean, and for this we want frequency. Frequency means number of times. 0 to 5. How many times repeated? 1 5 times, 1 4 times, 3 7. 3 times. 10, 9, 90, 22. Okay. This is 8 times. Now what is the total? 30. Now first mean. We have mean can be here mean. Two methods are there. One is direct method and one more is assumption method. Which method? Assumption. First we will see direct method. Direct method means very simple. First step, what we are going to do is we have to find out xi. Xi indicates that class mark. In that class mark I told lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 5 divided by 2. How much it is? 2.5. 15 means 7.5. Just adding 5. 12.5. Here 17.5. Here 22.5. Here 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 6. Next one is xi into fi. Just to multiply. 25 into 5. 12.5. 25 5 is 125. 4 5 is 22. 4 7 is 28 plus 2. 30. Next. 3 5 is 15. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7. 3 1 is 3. Next 7. 7 5 is 35. 7 7 is 49. 52. 5. 7 1 is 7 plus 5. 12. Next one. 3 5 is 15. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7. 3 2 is 6. 8 5 is 40. 8 7 is 56, 60, 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 6, 22. That's it. Now we have to do total. 5 plus 5, 10, plus 5, 15, plus 5, 22. 2 plus 7, 9, 11, 18, 20. 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 15, 18, 19. 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Therefore, what is the formula? Mean equal to sigma xi fi divided by sigma fi. So, many students what they will do? Sir, fi cancel, sir, only xi is the answer. It is not that. Okay na? This is different, this is different. Here we have taken sum. Therefore, mean is what? How much it is? sigma fi into xi divided by sigma fi. Therefore 490, is it correct? Is it 490 divided by 30? 0 0 cancel, 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 10 means 3 ja, therefore 16.3 or 33. Okay na? This is by direct method. Second method we will do. What is the second method? Assuming method. Okay na? Right. In this, what we are going to do is, you just take any one. I will take yes, this I will take. In this, you should write in this we have to write xi minus a. What is xi? Sorry? Yes, okay. 2.5 minus 17.5. How much will come? Minus 15. What is next one? Minus 10. This is minus 5. 0, 5. Now multiply. Here it is nothing but ui. Ui equal to ui equal to fi into xi minus a. Now very simple. 15 5 ja minus 75. 4 into 10 minus 40. 5 3 ja minus 15. 0. 3 into 5 15. 8 into 10 80. Now you take 19 means minus 130. 15 plus 95. Here 5, 12 means 35. How much it is? Minus 30. What is the answer? Minus 35. Now you write. Okay. What is the mean equal to? Yes. A plus sigma fi into ui divided by sigma fi. So A is how much? 17.5 minus 35 divided by 30. So it is nothing but equal to 17.5 minus 5 7 ja 5 6 ja. So 1.1. Therefore how much it will be? 16.4. In the first one, how much we got? 16.3 we got. No, 16.4. Okay na? Please take note. Yes. Now we have seen mean. Now we'll see an example for mode. How easy example will take? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. This is class interval and this is frequency. 5, 4, 9, 6, 3, 8. I told you mode means highest one, highest frequency. Here which is the highest frequency? 9 is the highest frequency. That's all. So this you mark as F1. Before that you mark as F0. After that you mark as F2. And highest frequency's lower limit is nothing but L. Therefore, what is the formula? Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. H is nothing but class size. So h refers to class size. So in that class size, very simple. Now what is L? 20 plus f1 9 minus f0 4 divided by 2 into 9 minus 4 minus 6 into h is 10. It is nothing but equal to 20 plus 9 minus 4 is 5. 2 into 9 18. 18 minus 10 8 into 10. So here 2 5 ja 2 4 ja. So it will be 20 plus 25 by 4. So here you can do very simple 20 plus 25 by 4 or 20 plus 4 6 ja 24 10 4 2 ja 8 24 5 ja. Therefore what is the answer? 26.25 is the mole. So like these questions almost 2 marks, sometimes they will ask also 3 marks question. So like this it will be useful for case study also. Case study means what I told. Case study is nothing but studying the or knowing about the patient. Case study. But here knowing about the whatever data he has given. In hospitals we will take care the how the sisters will take care the patient. Case study means everything they will write about that person's health. What is his weight, what is his fever, what is the temperature of his body, right? What is his pulse rate, everything they will mention. Like this only. Here in statistics, if they will give means they may ask you one of the case studies, find mode. Find mode means you should do patapat like this, fast. You are not supposed to write all the things, just only here calculations you have to do very fast. No need of all the steps. Okay? Because it is only 1 mark question. 1 mark question means, listen here, nobody will see your method, your methodology. They will see only answer. 26.25. Game means over. Whether you have seen, whether you are done by asking others, or you copied from others, or you calculated in your 10 steps, or you calculated in 2 steps, nobody will ask whether answer is correct or not. In multiple choice questions, for example, the options will be 26.25, 26.23, 26.42, 26.38. So this only we should, sir, here 26 is there, no, here 26 is there, we should approximately know approximately. When answer is coming correct, therefore we have to tick this only. Don't tick either this, and either this. And multiple choice questions, I told you already, there are 2 methods are there how to tackle the problems. See, one is directly by finding like this. Okay, for example like this. Class mark of 40 to 50 is dash. The answer is 40.5, 50, 41.50, 42.50, 40.45. Like this. Yes, here 0.50 is there. Therefore, answer is this. 40 is there, 40. Therefore, this will be answer. No. 40 to 50 is there. Therefore, 40 to 50 will not come only. Correct? Here 41.5. 40 plus 50 is 90. 90 divided by 2. This will not come. This will also not come. Then out of 3, which is correct answer? 45. Otherwise, if you are represent, what you will do? 40 plus 50 divided by 2, that is 90 divided by 2 equal to 45. You will choose only this answer. You will not see any one. If you know perfect, directly you will choose the correct one. If you don't know, then you should cancel 1 by 1 by 1 by 1. So remaining will be the answer. If the option is D, okay. If the option is A, for example, correct answer only A means, you should do like that only. You should tackle. If you know the concept, then only it is possible. If you don't know the concept, then it is problem. Okay, na? Yes. So we have studied mean, median, and mean and mode. Now for this only, we will find out median. Median means what I told? Yes. Middle most term, but here no middle most term. For this procedure is different. So what is the procedure here? First we should find out sum of the sorry. We should write here CF. CF means cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means what? Again one problem. Write the first one as it is. For the next term, we should add next term to the previous one. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. 27 plus 8, 35. If you do addition, 100% 35 only will come. Instead of this, it has come here. Okay, na? So this is representing as n. Therefore, n is how much? 35. Now we have to find out n by 2. That is 35 by 2 means 17.5. In this 17.5, where it lies, we have to see. Sir here, sir here, sir here, sir here. In this 4 are there. Which is the correct answer? Which is the near one? It lies between 9 and 18. We can't take this, but we can take this. Over. You mark. Concerned here 20. Lower limit is nothing but we can say median class. Median class. One more question or case study they will ask. What is the median class of this problem? So median class means what? When it is the n by 2 means concerned lower limit is nothing but median class. In mode class, what is the modal class? They may ask. What is the modal class means very simple. For example, 18 here 9 is the highest frequency. You see, now if you take mode also, this is the highest frequency and this is the lower limit and this is the modal class and this is also median class. Did you understand the difference? Answer will be same but names will be different, but according to same, right? Okay. Now n by 2 we have to find out this n by 2 over the concerned frequency is nothing but f and above our median is nothing but CF. And here L, and what is the class size? 20 minus 10 or 40 minus 30 or 60 minus 50. It will be same. What is our formula? Yes, median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by H, divided by F into H. Formula is to remember. L is nothing but 20 plus n by 2 is 17.5 minus 9 divided by F. What is F? 9. 9, huh? Yes. Into H is 10. Therefore, 20 plus 17.5 minus 9 is? Yes? 8.5. Yes. 8.5 divided by 9 into 10. Otherwise, 20 plus 85 by 9. So here you can do 85, 9 8 ja, sorry, 9 9 ja 81, 4.696, sorry, 9 6 ja 54, 9 5 ja 9 4 ja 36, again 4, 9 4 ja. Therefore 20 plus 9.44 is nothing but 29. Like this we have to find out. Please take down. Yes, one example we'll see. Find the mean, mode and median. We'll find out these three for this. So first one is mean. Directly xi, that is xi is nothing but class mark. 50 plus 60, 110 divided by 2, 55. 10 is there, therefore 65, 75, 85, 90. So multiplication is more, therefore we'll go for assuming method. Yes, it is nothing but this is u is nothing but x, not u. Here you do a minus, sorry, xi minus a, minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10, 20. Here ui. Multiply now. 4 into minus 20, minus 80, 8 into minus 10, minus 8, 0, 10 into 19, 190, 20 into 500. How much it is? Minus 160, 190 means 290, 290 means 130. Therefore, what is the answer? 130. Now, what is the formula? Mean or x bar is equals to sigma xi ui divided by sigma xi. What is sigma xi? You should do now here. 4 plus 8, 12, 26, 31, 50. Yes. So here 50. This is, here we are using assuming method. Therefore, instead of that, here we have to do a plus sigma xi ui divided by sigma f. Now a is how much? 75 plus 130 divided by 50. 0 0 cancel. 75 plus 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 6 ja, 2.6. Therefore 77.6. What is this 77.6? Is nothing but mean. Now we will find out more. Okay, right. Now mode, you see, mode is highest one, this is highest one, therefore f1, this is f0, this is f2, this is nothing but lower limit. Okay na? Now very simple. What is mode equal to? L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Now f1, what is f1? 19 minus F0 14. Sorry, here L is how much? 80 plus divided by 2 into 19 minus 14 minus 5 into 10. So it is nothing but 80 plus 5 divided by 38 minus 19 into 10. So 80 plus 5 into 10 is 50 divided by 38 minus 19, 19. So it is equals to 80 plus 19 2 ja 38. 38 means 120. 13 7 ja 13 6 ja. Therefore 82.6. It is nothing but no. So median mean we got 76 points. 72.6 or 76.6. Okay na? Now there is no problem because statistics is nothing but only approximate result only. You will not get that much accurate result. Right? Okay. Now see, you see one more time. F1 is 19, F0 is 14. 2 into 19 minus 14 minus 5 into 10. 19 minus 14 is 5. 2 9 ja 19 38 minus 19 into 10. So 80 plus 50 divided by 19. 19 2 ja 38. 120. 19 6 ja 114 like that. Therefore 80 plus 2 is 82.6. Okay, right? We will see. We will find out about the. Sorry, we will find out the median. In this median, first what we have to find? We have to find n by 2. That is, before that we have to find out CF. CF is first one 4. 4 plus 8 12. 12 plus 4 14 6 26. It is nothing but 45 and it is 50. Now n by 2 50 means 50 by 2 means 25. Now 25 where it lies? 26. Therefore here concerned F, this is CF and it is nothing but L. Okay na? Now median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So L is how much? 70 plus n by 2. N by 2 is 25 minus CF is 12 divided by F is 14 into 10. Now 70 plus 25 minus 12 is 13 by 14 into 10. So 70 plus 130 divided by 14. 70 plus 130 means 14 9 ja 126. 126 means 40 we get 14 2 ja. Therefore 79.2 is the median. Okay na? So one problem only we found, mean, median and in the next class we will solve some more